everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and today we'll be continuing with our exercise 2.4. We have already done question number 1, 2 and question number 3 also. So in this video we'll be starting with question number 4. So the question is, question number 3 and 4 are almost same. So if you haven't watched my video of question number 3, please go and watch that first. This will be more clear. So question number 4 is, one of the two digits of a two-digit number, one of the two digits of a two-digit number, one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Okay. If you interchange the digits, if you interchanged the digits of this number, and add the resulting number to the original number, okay, you get 88. You get 88. Find the numbers. So one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Now again we are given two-digit number. Let's suppose that number is 36. So इन दोनों में से एक डिजिट जो है वो 3 टाइम्स है अदर डिजिट की. Now suppose one digit is x, so the other digit is 3x. Why? Because it is given that one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. एक x है तो दूसरा 3x है, 3 टाइम्स है. ठीक है, अगर एक 6 है तो दूसरा 18 है. सॉरी, अगर एक 2 है तो दूसरा 4 है. मतलब 3 टाइम्स है, सॉरी 2 3 6 है. ठीक है, सो इसका क्या मतलब है कि अगर एक 2 है तो दूसरा 2 3 6 है, 3 टाइम्स है. ठीक है, सो हेयर वन इज x, सो द अदर इज 3 into x, 3x. So let solution will be, let one digit be x. If one digit is x, so the other digit will be 3x. Why? Because again statement में यही दिया हुआ है, 3 टाइम्स है दूसरी डिजिट के. If one is x, the other will be 3x. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now if you interchange the digits of this number and add the resulting number, चलो ये तो बात की बात है. First we have ones place, we have tens place, and we know that the format is, अगर हम एक को x ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, 2 डिजिट्स हैं, एक 3x है और एक x है. सो वी नो दैट हम इसका फॉर्मेट क्या होगा, 10 into 3x plus x. अब ये क्यों हुआ? Why? Because let's take 42. So 42 can be written as 40 plus 2 and 40 can be written as 10 into 4. So simply this can be written as 10 into 4 plus 2. 10 into 4 plus 2 means if we have a two-digit number, it can be written as 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. So simply ओरिजिनल नंबर हमारा कैसे निकलेगा, 10 into tens place digit plus units place digit. Okay, so let's suppose that x is the tens place digit. So 10 into x plus 3x. Okay, 10 into x plus 3x. 10 into tens place digit x है and unit place digit is 3x. So 10 into x is 10x plus 3x. So ये हो गया 13x. Okay, 13x is the original number and now we want the interchanged number. Now interchanged number is 10 into 3x plus x. What do we interchanged in this? This and this. This and this. We interchanged this and this. x का हमने पहले x को tens place पे लिया था तो अब ones place पे आ गया. Similarly 3x was in ones place so now it is in tens place. Now 10 into 3x is 30x plus x, 31x. So 31x came out to be our interchanged number. So our original number is 13x, our interchange number is 31x. Now the question says if you interchange the digits of this number and add the resulting number to the original number. अब हमें इन दोनों numbers को करना है add, means 13x plus 31x. Okay. You get 88. अब इन दोनों को add करके हमारे पास क्या आएगा 88. So we got our equation. Now 13 plus 31 is 44x equals to 88. So x की value आ गई 88 upon 44. Why? Because 44 was in multiplication here. So इधर जाके it will be in division. And you know that 44 2 से होता है 88. So the value of x is nothing but 2. So it means our one digit is 2 and other digit was 3 times, right? So 3x. So 3 into 2 6. So it means that our answer is either 62 or 26. ओके, बिकॉज 62 अगर हम लिखते हैं तो भी हमारा वन डिजिट का 3 टाइम्स ही है दूसरी डिजिट, इधर भी वन डिजिट का 3 टाइम्स ही है दूसरी डिजिट, बट हमें नहीं पता कि पहले कौन सी डिजिट है एंड सेकेंड कौन सी डिजिट है. सो सिंपली हमने 62 और 26 दोनों ही आंसर बता दिए. ओके, सो दिस वाज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फर्स्ट वी टुक वन डिजिट x, सेकेंड डिजिट विल बी 3x गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. Then we write the original number by this format, 10 into tens place digit plus units place digit. Then we interchange the digits. Okay. Then we interchange these digits and wrote the new number. Then in दोनों का sum था 88. So we calculated the value of x and the value of x आते ही हमारी दोनों digits हैं 2 and 6. So 26 और 62. So this was our question number 4. Now children, question number 5th of this same exercise. Question number 5 says Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Okay, now Shobo's age 5 years from now. Will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So the question is, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So let the present age of Shobo be X years. So Shobo's mother's present age is 6x years. Why? Because it is given that Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Okay, so Shobo की अगर x है, so Shobo's mother's present age will be 6x. Now Shobo's age 5 years from now. Now children, suppose your age is 12 years right now. Okay, so after 5 years from now, if I ask what will be your age, so you will say, ma'am, 12 plus 5, that is 17 years. I'll be 17 years after 5 years. So we have to add the number, जो भी हमें number दिया हुआ है, like Shobo's age 5 years from now means x plus 5 and 6x plus 5. Now we have to equate it. So हमने according to question दोनों को equate करना है, but first let's read the next statement. 5 years from now, Shobo's age will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 मम्मी की present age का हो जाएगा, मतलब इसका. Okay, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, so now इधर जो 5 है ये +5 हमें नहीं करना. Why? Because शोबो की जो मदर है ना, उनकी प्रेजेंट एज का ही हमें 1/3 करना है, मतलब 6x का ही 1/3 करना है हमें. ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. सी, लेट्स रीड अगेन. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Present age of Shobo भी x, so mother's age is 6x. Present age is 6x. ठीक है, इतना तो क्लियर है. Now Shobo's age 5 years from now, मतलब Shobo की एज में 5 years ऐड होंगे, will be 1/3 his mother's present age. See, उसकी मम्मी की प्रेजेंट एज का 1/3 मीन्स 6x का 1/3 होगा, और Shobo's एज 5 years from now, तो मतलब x plus 5 होगा. ठीक है, so this is the equation. Now 3 is in division. ठीक है, so we know that 3 2 से 6 होता है, तो हम कट कर देंगे. So this will become 2x and x plus 5 as it is. X plus 5 equals to 2x. Now we can take this x to the RHS. Why? Because variable terms on the one side we can equate. So 5 as it is, 2x as it is, x will be in negative because इधर positive है, so RHS में जाके negative हो जाएगा. So 2x minus x is x and x is 5. So the value of x comes out to be 5. Now the value of x is 5. It means that Shobos present age आ गई. Shobos present age is 5 years. Okay, and Shobos mother's present age is 6 into x. So 6 into 5 is 30 years. Means Shobos mother's present age is 30 years and Shobos present age is 5 years. And हमें यही निकालना था. What are their present ages? Okay. So this was our question number 5. Now let's come to the next question. Now children, question number 6. Question number 6 is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. Okay, ठीक है, not necessary. So the length and breadth of the plot, the length and breadth of the plot is 11:4. Okay. At the rate of 100 per meter, at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cause the... Now children, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. एक village में एक rectangular plot है, narrow rectangular plot that is reserved for a school. So the length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. अब length and breadth जो है वो plot की that is in the ratio 11:4. Now we know that whenever a ratio is given, so what we have to do, we have to let the length of the plot be (11x), okay, and breadth of plot be 4x. Okay, so we have to take 11x and 4x. I have already told you this. Now, at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Now, हमें इस प्लॉट को फेंस करना है. वी हैव अ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट, ओके, एंड वी हैव टू फेंस इट. उसके चारों तरफ हमें फेंस लगानी है. ओके, नाउ फॉर दिस फेंस हमें वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. Okay, and perimeter of rectangle we have to calculate. We know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth. Also हमारे पास perimeter नहीं है children, okay, but we are given that per 100 square meter, मतलब 1 मीटर के लिए हमें rupees 100 का रेट पड़ता है. ठीक है, फॉर 1 मीटर ₹100 है, तो पेरीमीटर निकाल के जितना भी मीटर आएगा दैट विल बी 75,000. ये भी हमें गिवन है. ठीक है. सो हाउ वी विल राइट दिस. ये तो हो गया पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल विच इज 2 into L plus B. Also we know that perimeter into 100 equals to 75,000. अब हमने ये कैसे लिखा. नाउ लेट्स सी. पेरीमीटर, सपोज हमारे पास पेरीमीटर आया 400 मीटर. सपोज पेरीमीटर आया 400 मीटर. सो सिंपली हम 400 इंटू 100 करेंगे. ठीक है. सो दैट हमारे पास आ जाए अमाउंट कि कितना हमें अमाउंट पे करना है. बट अमाउंट हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है. सो हमने उससे पेरीमीटर निकाल लेंगे. कैसे, लेट्स सी. जब भी हमें पर मीटर अमाउंट दे रखा है, पर मीटर 100 है. ठीक है. सो जितना भी हमारा पेरीमीटर आएगा उसका कैलकुलेट करने के लिए इंटू 100 करेंगे. सो वही हमने किया, पेरीमीटर इंटू 100 एंड दैट अमाउंट इज गिवन 75,000. ओके. मतलब सिंपली हमें पेरीमीटर गिवन नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ गिवन है. सो पेरीमीटर निकाल के वी कैन कैलकुलेट दी लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. लेंथ इज 11x. सो 2 11x प्लस ब्रेथ इज 4x. 11x plus 4x is 15x. So 2 into 15 is 30x. So perimeter comes out to be 30x. So वो 30x हम इधर लिख लेंगे into 100 equals to 75,000. Now this 100 is in multiplication with 30x. So उधर जाके ये हो जाएगा divide. So 75,000 upon 100. 2 0 से 2 0 cut. So 750. Okay. 30x equals to 750. Now for the value of x we have to take 30 in division again. So x equals to 750 upon 30. 0 से 0 cut. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So the value of x comes out to be 25. So x की वैल्यू आ गई 25. बट हमें चाहिए लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. वी नीड दी डायमेंशंस ऑफ द प्लॉट एंड डायमेंशंस मीन्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. लेंथ इज 11x. ओके. सो लेंथ इज 11 into x. So 11 into 25. Alright. Now 25 into 11 is 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2. So 275. So लेंथ हो गई 275 मीटर and breadth is 4 into x. So 4 into 25. 4 into 25 is 100. So breadth is 100 meter. So length is 275 meter and breadth is 100 meter. So this was our question number 6 of exercise 2.4. Now children, from question number 7 we will be discussing in our next video. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, revise all the questions, practice extra questions also, and if you have any doubt, any query, please write in our comment section below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.